Hello people, after so long I'm shooting a video. So in this video I'm going to speak of the FOMO Shorts Please, this web series that you can find on Amazon Prime. uh, FOMO Shorts is about uh, it's by the Pritish Nandi Productions, Rangita Nandi, it's that production house. And it's about these four women who are, it's life in Mumbai. But to be really honest, it's except for the last episode, FOMO Shots is a very, they are trying to be like Sex in the City, the whole series. But keeping in mind the Indian sensibility, it goes a little off the mark. So that's an honest review, yeah. So, but among the characters, it's Manvi Gagru. She's like the cutest. You'd want to find someone like her as a friend, because you feel bad for her, at the same time you find her the cutest. So for more shots, people, if it's a bored Sunday afternoon, you should, it's just 10 episodes and you would want to pretty much watch one after the other, because it's nice. And Kirti Kulhari, is this other, and Neil Bhupalam, these are the characters who kind of really make this, and Sayani Gupta, make the whole uh, make the whole series special. And Gurbani, she plays Umang Singh, and you have Lisa Ray also in the role of Samara Kapoor, quite unique. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.